Hello folks, this is Tony Gomes from Advanced Wealth Management with a special video update about the recent stock market volatility. Stock markets around the world experienced a sharp pullback and severe volatility on fears about how a slowing Chinese economy might affect the global economic outlook. Though stocks gained some ground as investors took the opportunity to pick up some bargains, markets continued their losses, pushing the S&P 500 and Dow into correction territory. Let's talk about what's behind recent market movements. 1. Stocks have been trading near historic highs for months. The pullback was all but guaranteed and is a very normal part of market cycles. While I don't want to minimize what happened, I want you to understand that markets go through natural up and down cycles. 2. Emotion took over for many investors. The opposing emotions of fear and greed are putting stocks all over the map. When markets take a dive, savvy investors watch and wait for opportunities to snap up good deals. 3. Fears about a China, probably overrated. A number of fresh economic reports out of China trigger dire warnings about the state of the Chinese economy. Should you be worried? Well, let's put China in perspective. Exports to China are worth about 0.7% of U.S. GDP. Even if China slips into recession, it's definitely not going to be the end of the world. Some U.S. companies that sell a lot of goods in China may feel the pinch, but most of U.S. growth is driven by what we consume at home. So how long will the pullback last? No one knows for sure, but it's probably not a repeat of 2008 again. The financial crisis was driven by fundamental factors like a housing market crash and the ensuing mortgage meltdown. We can say that fundamentals for U.S. stocks remain positive. Here's what we're looking at. The labor market has gained jobs steadily over the last 65 months. Though wage growth is still tepid, we see major improvement in this major driver of economic growth. Consumer confidence spiked to its high level in 7 months in August, showing that Americans are upbeat about the economy. The housing market is picking up steam, indicating that all those new jobs are giving many Americans the confidence they need to buy a house. So what's the takeaway? Keep calm and carry on. Focus on your goals. While it's stressful to see a portfolio value swing so wildly, the data behind the recent volatility doesn't indicate any fundamental reasons to worry. So go outside, take a walk, play some golf. We're here keeping a very close eye on what's happening in the markets and we'll be in touch as conditions warrant. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 941-451-8512. We'd be happy to talk to you. While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as an investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision.